Startup checking video of the second unit of this same order by Mr. Zohaib Zahid. This is 31st January 2024. Abdullah Dough Kneader 3.5 kg capacity, AE900A is the model. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. You can see from the bottom also it is okay. Now we will start the machine. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It has a plastic blade, a metal blade, a measuring flask, a warranty booklet by the company. This is the original carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then we pack it in brown sheet and further in bubble wrap for safe packaging. Then the fragile stickers are pasted on the package so that it safely reaches the customer's address. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped and it is working absolutely okay. Now we will pack it for the route. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. Best dough kneader in Pakistan, Abdullah Dough Kneader, Aata Goondne Wali machine.